Dongguan Longtian Industrial Company Limited was founded in Dongguan City, China, by Mr. Dan Zhou and Mr. Peter Li. We own a factory and covers 4,000 square meters with many experienced workers. We are one of the leaders of the cables industrial. Lontion are specialized in the manufacture of consumer electronic products and cable assembling. Our main products include the MHL cable, HDMI cable, mini SAS cable, power bank, wireless TV dongle, and so on. We are the member of MHL Consortium, and we also patent our products. Besides, our products got CE, FCC, and ROHS certificates. Lontion R&D department is the heart of our products and is a large part of Lontion's current and future success. Our R&D is comprised of a great team of highly experienced people who make Lontion's innovative quality products possible. We have the ability to produce and design customer OEM requirements. Being one of the main manufacturers to these consumer electronic products and cables, we are always insisting on that quality, and products update are the most important things. We test the product from raw material to half-finished goods to finished goods for more than 5 times. For marketing worldwide, many cable products are from Lontion due to the excellent quality and best service. So far, we had sold our products to all over the world. Customers who cooperated with us insist on choosing us. We are the one you find, so come with us.
I'm Nancy. I'm Lucy.
I'm Victor.
I'm Tina.
I'm Sammy.
I'm Alan.
I'm Sunny.
Michael.
I'm Peter.
I'm Angela.
I'm Ophelia.
Welcome to Lontion.